this morning we're getting ready to head out to the elephant orphanage where we're going to do some karma yoga. We're going to help bathe orphaned elephants. This elephant orphanage houses 36 elephants that have all been rescued. There's been a lot of clear cutting of the forest here in Chiang Mai, and a lot of the elephants were used for logging and completely mistreated and abused. And of course, a lot of them have been hunted for their tusks. So this is a sanctuary for these elephants. We are walking out in the elephant sanctuary. Go. So this is the area that after we've picked all of the bananas, that we bring the wheelbarrows and drop off all the food, and it's sorted and put into these baskets to feed the elephants. And they eat 30,000 pounds of food each day.
My name's Chrissy, and I am a trainer here. I've been here for about 3 months, and I'll be here for about a year. Almost all the elephants were working elephants, most of them in logging, either legal or illegal logging. Some of them are street elephants, some of them are circus performers, so they all have kind of a background of serving mankind. But this form of training it takes all the force, dominance, punishment out of the equation, and we just use rewards, and the elephants really respond to that. So this is Potam. She's just had a pedicure, and now Dr. Wrinkle here is putting on it's an antibiotic cream, and that just stimulates healthy cuticle growth.
Oh, it's fine.
How much?
The thing is that you just have to turn it on. I have to get it right here. I use my iPhone. Yeah, but do they like it on top of their head? Okay. Oh no.
Yeah, sounds good.
It's like we're elephant sisters with our hips.
Yeah. It'll come real fast flood over here.
I start this. I start 1995, but this place 2003.
And how many acres do you have here?
First, I start with 50. Now we almost have almost 280. We buy every year a bit, and plus the land that we have that no paper, like we buy from the village, is over 300.
Over 300 acres. And you have 36 elephants here.
36 and plus one coming soon, 37.
Tell me about, what other ways people can get involved if they can't come out to Thailand. Like, what ways can they help?
We would like now is for people to help us to educate.
Education.
Spread the word to educate the people to traveling to Thailand with respect and respect, not just only for elephant but for the other animal. Because Thailand now, we use too much animal living, involved with the tourist industry and benefit from them. We have many animal show, like a monkey show, snake show, crocodile show, buffalo show. It's all kind of animal they have used. Take a monkey from the mother. Take the baby from the mother, they suffer. So we just would like people to help us to spread the word.
Our group has adopted 2 elephants, and if you want to do more, just check out www.saveelephant.com for more information about how you can get involved. There are so many ways that you can get involved. Just check out yogatrailblazers.com and see how you can help. And anything you do, just donate a little bit of time, a little bit of money, or just don't go on elephant rides. Check it out, yogatrailblazers.com.